على ربى الأنس شيدنا مدارسنا بالآي نروي فؤادا كان عطشانا.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. How are you all? Hope you all are doing good and in a good state of health and iman. This is our next Arabic session. Let's quickly revise what we did in our last session and then we will do the exercise of this chapter. Okay, what we learned in this lesson in Arabic, anything that is more than two is called plural or jama'. Arabic plurals can be of two types, sound plural and broken plurals. Sound plurals are those plurals whose singular forms do not change while converting into plural. Their plurals can be made by adding waw and noon or ya and noon for masculine nouns and alif and ta for the feminine nouns. Broken plurals are those plurals in which the singular form doesn't remain same and gets changed. Broken plurals in Arabic have no fixed rule. They simply evolve and learn from the Arabs. Don't get confused. We will learn and it is very easy. You will do it nicely, inshallah. Okay, different pronouns are used for for plural nouns. Let's see. Hum, they, masculine. Hunna, they, feminine. Antum, you all, masculine. Antunna, you all, feminine. Nahnu, we, for masculine and for feminine, it's same, nahnu. Like ana. Ana is same, no? For masculine and for feminine. Same way, nahnu is also same. Okay, let's start doing the exercises. This is your first exercise, very easy exercise. In this, you have to match the words. Suppose you have rajulun. What is the plural of rajulun? You have to see here. Okay, I will tell you one. What is the plural of rajulun? Rijalun. Okay, rajulun, rijalun. Okay, so it's very easy. Muhsinun, you have to see here. Ghafilun, sama'un, kitabun, bintun, muhsinatun. Okay, it's very easy. Just be careful for the feminine and masculine. Just take care of that, inshallah, it's easy. Okay, second exercise. You have to circle the feminine plurals in this ayah with pink and masculine plurals with green. Okay, it's a little tricky one, but easy also. Okay, so concentrate and do. Okay, let's see what is this. Innal muslimina wal muslimati. See, remember what we told you for the masculine, waw and noon or ya and noon. So see here, ya and noon. And for the feminine, alif and ta. Right? Very good. Okay, muslimati wal mu'minina wal mu'minati. والقانتين والقانتات والصادقين والصادقات والصابرين والصابرات والخاشعين والخاشعات والمتصدقين والمتصدقات والصائمين والصائمات والحافظين فروجهم والحافظات والذاكرين الله كثيرا والذاكرات أعد الله لهم مغفرة وأجر عظيما. Okay, very easy. It is ayah from Surah Ahzab, ayah number 35. What is the translation? Surely for men and women, believing men and women, devotee men and women, truthful men and women, patient men and women, humble men and women, charitable men and women, fasting men and women who guard their chastity, and men and women who remember Allah often. For all of them, Allah has prepared forgiveness and a great reward. Okay, another exercise. Find plurals in these ayats and write their meanings. Okay, let's see. Alam ta'alam anna Allah lahu mulku samawati wal ard. Very easy. You can find out in just 1 minute, right? 1 second, sorry. Very easy because only one. Okay, next. وَكَانُوا يَنْحِتُونَ مِنَ الْجِبَالِ بُيُوتًا آمِنِينَ. Okay, if you remember the plurals of the singulars, it is again very easy for you. Okay, and you have to write their meanings also. Okay, whatever words, suppose I'll give you one example. The first one, we have samawat, plural, right? So what is samawat? Skies, right? Same way you have to search in all the ayats. Okay. يحق الحق ويبطل الباطل ولو كره المجرمون. Okay, again very easy. Okay. والمحصنات من النساء إلا ما ملكت أيمانكم. Again very easy. Okay, last. وَقَالُوا لَن تَمَسَّنَا النَّارُ إِلَّا أَيَّامًا مَعْدُودًا. Okay, very easy. Inshallah, I hope you will not make mistakes in these. All the words we have already done many times. Okay, we are doing all these translations from the starting of this book. So just keep in mind the words you have already learned and do it. Okay? Don't get confused. Very easy. I hope when I will post the answers, your all answers will be correct at that time, inshallah. This time the exercise is very easy. Okay, another exercise. Fill in the blanks by putting appropriate personal pronouns for plurals. Again, very easy. Okay, rijalun. What is the personal pronoun? Yes, guess it. Easy. Okay, next. Nisa'un. Awladun. Muslimuna. Qanitatun. Muslihuna. Banatun. Muhsinatun. All very easy. I'm not telling their English translation because you've been doing this from the past many lessons, right? Okay. Let's go to another exercise. Complete the sentences with appropriate vocabs. Okay, you can put anything, whatever comes in your mind. Hunna, suppose for example, banatun, antum, nahnu, antunna, nahnu. So here all masculine and here all feminine. Okay? Just you can write anything, whatever comes in your mind. Okay? Translate the following sentence to Arabic. Okay? Good. We are Muslims. So you have to first see we. What is we? Nahnu. Correct? Okay. Muslims. Muslimuna. Nahnu, that means Muslimuna, plural. Nahnu Muslimuna. Easy? Yeah, very easy. Same way, try to do all these. They are good doors. First they, then good doors. Okay? You all are peacemakers. You all are successful. You First thing, what you all are in Arabic? Very good. Then they, what is they in Arabic? Good. And the other words you've been already doing, so it's easy. We are girls, such a easy one. They are women. You all are worshipping women. We are good girls. You all are obedient women. Very easy. Okay? Just do it. We will post the answers soon, inshallah. And you can match your answers then, inshallah. Okay? Okay, translate the following sentence to English. Oh, very easy. Antum rijalun. Hum muslihuna. Nahnu muslimuna. Antum muhsinuna. Hum awladun. Hunna abidatun. Antunna muhsinatun. Nahnu nisaun. Nahnu banatun. Antunna qanitatun. Okay? So do all these into English. Easy. This is the end. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. See you in our next class.